Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting video. Today I'm about to show you how you can completely transform your meetings with Microsoft Copilot in Teams. Whether you're managing a fast-paced project or working with a dynamic team, this tool is designed to make your meetings not just efficient, but effortless. Imagine Copilot summarizing the meeting, organizing tasks, and even sending out follow-ups automatically. I'll cover what Microsoft Copilot does, why it's a game changer, and how to get started. Copilot listens and processes the conversation to identify the main topics, decisions, and follow-up actions. Copilot captures major points discussed in real time, organizes them, and generates a report you can send out immediately. It recognizes when tasks are assigned during the meeting and tracks them automatically. Copilot integrates with tools like Planner, OneNote, and Power Automate for seamless operation. Copilot allows you to stay fully engaged in meetings without the burden of note-taking. Copilot ensures accountability by sending reminders as deadlines approach, boosting productivity. With Copilot, you save time after meetings, allowing you to focus on high-priority tasks instead. Copilot creates a single source of truth with accurate notes and action items, eliminating miscommunication. Setting up Copilot isn't plug and play. It requires custom configurations for your organization's unique needs. Managing sensitive data is vital, ensuring compliance with security and privacy policies. I can help you tailor Copilot to your needs. Let's connect for guidance or a full setup. Microsoft Copilot in Teams isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in how we work together. Ready to transform your meetings? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please refer to the QR code or link in description for advanced article.